You're listening to the Spiritual Health Experience.
Hello and welcome to a mindfulness meditation walk with me, Dar O'Rourke, at Sandymount Promenade in County Dublin, Ireland, where we're just going to practice pausing and just noticing what enters our conscious experience in this moment. So let's start by becoming aware of how we're feeling in this moment. Are we happy or sad, stressed or tired, anxious or calm? Just bring awareness to how you're feeling. And just receive it as it occurs now and now. And realize whatever you're feeling is just an impression of energy that has entered your conscious experience in this present moment. Still noticing how it changes from moment to moment. And if you find yourself distracted by thought, just realize that that too is just an image or words appearing in your conscious experience. And just look at it and notice what happens to it as you move on to the next moment, and the next, and the next. And let's just bring into our awareness now how the body feels, what sensations are there, any tightness, itchiness, twitch, tingling sensation. Just go through each part of the body, whether you're standing or sitting, it doesn't matter. Just bring it into your awareness now. And once again, if you find yourself distracted by thought, just try to drop back and become a witness to this happening, and just notice these thoughts and watch what happens to them as you move on from moment to moment. Watch how they disappear. And now we're just going to concentrate on what we can see. But before we do that, I just want you to take a slow blink and just, as you reopen your eyes, become aware of all the colours and shapes as they appear in your conscious experience in this moment. So try that a few times, just slowly blinking.
And it was a break. Right.
Yeah, very much.
Now let's just bring into our attention of what we can hear. Listening to my voice, the different people's voice you can hear in the video, the wind, or the sounds of the cars. And for the last minute, let's just start over and practice this. Try practice this throughout the day. Just pause and notice what enters your conscious experience in this moment. As we come to the end of the video, just like to remind you to try pausing sometimes throughout the day. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to the channel if you liked the video, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you.